Well, here is this Lasko 12-inch table fan again, now with the 18-inch parts. So this essentially is now the Lasko 18-inch oscillating table fan, 18 inches. I have put the parts from that fan, the 16-inch pedestal fan, onto this fan, and they did really well. So yes, the parts are huge, as you can see, they're 18 inches. Also, I had a lot of trouble setting this up. I thought I would just do something nostalgic about New York City playing fan guys video about putting the 18-inch parts on a wall fan. So this is basically a video for New York City playing fan guy. And yeah, not much has changed about it, but they have the 18-inch parts on here. I'm curious if it even tilts. Yeah, see how big and heavy these parts made the fan. Not much of an improvement at all. Start off with low. And yes, the parts also made the fan slower. It's quiet though, but since the grills are so big, they apparently they don't go together properly, and I don't feel any air. Let's see if it oscillates. Actually, I'm gonna turn up to medium. Okay, the speed's supposed to pick up a little, and here's high. It's not even up to speed, even on high. It's quiet though, but that's so disappointing. See that the grills don't even go on properly. That's how much trouble I had putting this thing together. Decent performer for what it is. Well, it's time to dismantle this baby before it gets damaged. Well, that was actually a pretty fun experiment. And yes, this is a creation, it's not actually real. So I'm gonna get this guy back together and I'm gonna end the video. And then I'll put the pedestal fan back together after this video. But overall, this was a pretty fun thing to do. I never actually seen or made a Lasko 18-inch oscillating table fan. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, peace.